Hi guys.
Hi.
It's Baxter and today it's Bonfire Night.
Woo!
And I'm at Jackson, I'm sleeping over.
Yep.
We're just building a fire, so let's go.
Yeah. We'll show you. Follow me. I think some people are here.
So do I.
So, yeah, hello. Hello, Grandma. So, this is the fire. Oh, we're nearly there. Oh, jeez. This is the fire. It's real big.
It's windy.
Yeah.
Which isn't good.
No, it's not good because it goes.
People are seeing that, then they're going to get burnt out there, so.
It's just a quick bonfire one.
Uh-huh.
Part one. We'll do one part later. when
Yeah,
we
but we'll
when
do
we've
one
got
part later.
fireworks.
When everybody's here, I hope, for now. So yeah, we're gonna help my dad, boy.
Jack, don't you go so close to that fire 'cause it stinks.
No.
Where's that lantern?
Here,
In
mother.
here? Alright.
I did
No, don't push it because.
Put that light back in there. Yeah, that's fine then, yeah? Wait.
Right.
Right, I'm gonna try this one here.
I have a big stick.
See fireworks, look at that, who knows?
Fireworks.
I'll be asked.
So
Yeah, well, I'll be fireworks later, so you'll be there.
there'll be a part two later. Part two soon. See you guys.
Bye.